Good morning, Eastside Grizzlies, to our last digital whole school meeting of the semester.
Student government wants your help for field day. If you have any suggestions, or if you are a club and wants to participate, email Mr. Parker at this email below.
Finals week are coming up, so if you're a freshman, sophomore, or junior, the finals will begin Thursday, June 7th to Monday, June 11th, and there will be an early dismissal at 1:15 during the finals week. If you're a senior, your finals will begin June 4th and end on June 5th. There will be no schedule changes. Remember to study and get enough sleep to ace your final.
Awards night is Tuesday, June 5th for 9th to 11th graders from 4:30 to 6 p.m. Congratulations to those who received an award.
Make sure to sign up for student government today. Applications are due by Friday, June 1st. You can either share it with Kyle at this email or give it to Mr. Parker by the end of the day.
Thank you for participating in the water balloon toss. Expect more lunch events to come.
Let's go,